What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session. Today we're sitting here on the 7th, getting ready to trade, and I did get my camera issues figured out. I had to stop using my webcam. Right now you're looking at my phone. I didn't want to use my phone, but for right now, hey, it's a means to the ends. But yeah, we're sitting here watching Leads act up. Leads just not knowing what it wants to do. It's getting up and becoming the obvious stock. But what I wanted to see on Leads, I wanted to see it reach its float. So 2 million shares traded, and it has yet to do that. And now it's pulling back big. But I would love to see that 2 million get hit. RMED was another one that was up here, but not looking too hot right now. Got to get way back above VWAP. Got to get back above this 9 EMA. And let me get my rules. I did add a rule. So if we have multiple stocks moving, whether it's on Catalyst or not, we're going to wait until the obvious stock presents itself. So like on Friday we had like 5-6 stocks going, and I was like, I don't know what to trade. I jumped in on Leads, burned through my capital super quick, and it was over. Today we don't have any big news, so Leads has no news, and RMED has no news here. So it's just hype news right now. So be very careful if you're going to take trades on these. I'm going to be watching Leads out of the open. I'm really expecting a drop, but it is above VWAP. I don't know if it'll drop all the way back to VWAP, but we will see. On the daily chart, it does have this nice long candle to fight against, or that is fighting within right up here. I don't know if it'll be able to hold up. If it goes below that 18.18 today, or if it breaks the 20.50 is where it looks like it needs to break for it to be fading for the rest of the day. So we're gonna be careful. We're gonna wait for that float to get hit, and yeah, we're gonna get going. We have about 7 minutes to the bell. It did break out of this little trend line, but I'm not sure that it can hold up that 24. It's $2 away from the 24, and all it needs is a couple of drops through the 25.50, and we could see a move down, but we'll see. Or it could just continue to be strong. Another thing that's keeping me away from Leads right now is the amount of volume per minute. So if you look at the volume here, usually we see 100,000 shares or something like that. Like Friday we saw 100,000 shares on it easy in a minute. Now we're seeing 39, 27, so not as much volume per minute, so not as much liquidity per minute. So we'll see. We will see. See if it can break that 26.50. Looks like it's kind of struggling on that 26.50 right there. Okay, exactly 5 minutes to the bell. So it needs to stay above this level right here of the 26. Okay, we got UCR. Does it have news today? That would be fantastic if it does. UCR. Okay, Vulcan to acquire U.S. Concrete. So this is an acquisition. Up 28%. U.S. merger investigation. So we have a U.S. Concrete merger investigation. Happersett Sadid LLP announces investigation into whether the sale of U.S. Concrete Inc. is fair to shareholders. Okay, so that's not a super bad investigation unless it goes really wrong and it is unfair. So they're buying Vulcan for 1.29 billion. So that's okay. It's going to definitely have to get some more volume in it to catch up with these guys. and it did get up there to the leads did get up there to the 26.50 again, and just could not hold it. So I'm looking for the break of this 25.53. Oh, I just realized, look at this price. What in the world? This, oh my gosh, this price is ridiculous. All right, that's too big. I'm gonna go up here, go to my criteria. That's way too big. I don't like that. Way too expensive right there. Anyway, and what I did was just decrease the market cap, because the market cap is your shares outstanding multiplied by the price. And the lower the market cap, the bigger the moves you can get, because it doesn't take many people to move it. Yep, so lead's looking like I don't need to be jumping in this one quick at all. Wait for it to test back down here to VWAP, and then see if it can hold up. But it's got to get to that float. 2.21 to 2.42, and it also has a shelf registration this year, which hasn't seemed to affect it, but you never know when that will be called into play. So I'm definitely going to be patient here. Watch this first minute candle. I believe we're going to get a huge up move in leads and then a down move, because that's usually how it happens. If it's above VWAP, it pops up and then gets destroyed. So be very careful, or it may just get destroyed straight from the open. So 26.50 is the area of resistance there. VWAP all the way back down here. 25.16 is a 9 EMA on the 5 minute. Looking a little heavy there on that 1 minute 9 EMA. 25.99. If it can break down this 25.62, that would probably send it into a downwards move. So I'll put that as our support right there on the open. We have about 1 minute left. $40 seconds. Let's see what this thing can do. Still low volume, so I'm not interested in this one. RMED did pull back up, but it's got to retain VWAP up here. But let's watch leads out of the open. See if it fails. Leads getting up, pushing all the way up there. Now we're getting at 100,000 shares, but is this gonna fail? Oops, all in one. So this is the first minute, which we kind of avoid. Getting up there to that high right there. Let's see the pullback on this thing. Ooh, nice pullback. Okay. So let's see if it is a viable option. Can it stay inside, or inside of this candle with a pullback, or not? One minute about to end. Can we get a pullback above VWAP, or will this be a huge drop? VWAP has jumped up to 26.93. Still waiting for that pullback. We have not gotten one pullback on the open. Come on. Yeah, it's running. Still not interested. Got to see a pullback at least, because this pullback can be huge. Came from the 26 up to the 30. Let's see what you got. Trying to hold that 50. 70s right there. Still going. Pushing. Yep, I'm not going to jump in. It's very expensive. I can easily burn up a lot of capital here. So let me see. What's 30? 22. And then we get okay, so 200 bucks. All right, so that was the pullback. So we got this nice little range here, or that was a pullback, but it hasn't completed the pullback yet. Yeah, this is the first pullback, and it's going to show us if this was a real move. Let's see if it breaks VWAP. VWAP is at the 29.04. Okay. People are still buying in there. This needs to close red, not green. Yep. Breaking the strat right there. Needs to close red here. Yeah, I really don't like that. Okay, if it goes, it's probably a fake. Alright, yeah. There's some downwards movement. Yeah. I didn't like that. This needed to close up a little bit lower if it was going to start to consolidate here. But now we're getting the movement down. We got a 28.27 down here. So we'll put that as our support. Pulling back above VWAP. Alright. So we need a pullback above VWAP now. That pullback is not something that I like. Volume dropping. We were getting 700,000. Volume is dropping off a little bit. We'll see how this candle closes. Struggling to keep VWAP on the map right there. VWAP is at the 29.19. Okay, I like it. There's a dead cat bounce. Dead cat bounce came up, could not stay green, breaking through VWAP. Through VWAP, will it hold up to 28? What's the bottom of this? 28.27. It's got a lot of work to do to get back up to that 30. And this is why I wasn't so eager to jump in on this. Get absolutely destroyed. $29, $28, $28.34. Yeah, looking a little heavy. It's gonna have to come back and do a pullback above VWAP now. Okay, getting bought up above VWAP right there. $30. All right. So this is okay. Still struggling on VWAP. 29.19. Giving some moves downward. Let's see if it breaks. If it breaks that 1 minute, it may be a sign of weakness. But we're just waiting. Tried to go down 1, 2. Actually, it did break on those. So it tried to go down 1, 2, 3 times. Trying to hold up here. Okay, 29.50. Is this the dead cat bounce? $30.25. $30.25. Yeah. So the volume is continuing to drop off, and it continues going red. So it's a lot of selling pressure here. Okay. Staying above VWAP. Can we get moving outward? Another test of VWAP there. I'm not really liking this setup. Yep. Going down there and breaking our bottom there. Man. So just no trades for me in that. Just a lot of stuff not looking good. So we have our trend line down here. Now it's got to get back up there above VWAP, which I don't know is possible. RMED, let's see, RMED getting up there. Got to give that pull back above VWAP as well. It's only up 2% since the open. Okay. Got to give that pull back above VWAP as well. Alright. Looking nice though. Okay, I thought that thing went into a halt. Can we get the pullback above VWAP here? Alright. A lot of things just moving up, up, up. It's getting up to that resistance level up here on the daily chart, right at the top, 764. So it's got to give a pullback. See if it rejects off of that 64 here. 61, 62. Yeah, getting a little bit of rejection there. Can it hold up to 50? Going back and testing the 50. Come on. Alright, getting up there to the 70s. It got past it. So, looking good. Just got to get that pullback. Following my rules today. Got to wait for that pullback above VWAP. And I think it halted right there. So, nice little halt that it went into. We'll see if we can capitalize on RMED. Nice. Legs just really, I kind of figured that it was going to do this on the open, and it's probably going to go red on the day in just a little bit as well, because it really didn't go that far out there. It went up from the 26 up to the 31, which is kind of far, but still not the setup I'm looking for. And my rules seem to be keeping me safe right now. So if multiple stocks are moving, wait for the obvious stock and the most volatile. Only trade stocks from the scanner. No trades until a pullback above VWAP. Only trade above the 5-minute 9 EMA. And if no catalyst on the day, size down. Those are the 5 rules. RMED, let's see. RMED halted at 938.28. So it should be opening up on the 43.28. Trying to follow my rules, man. Trying to follow them. Let me look on the daily chart. What's this next resistance up here? The next resistance is looking like the 9 something. Let's see. There's some resistance right here at the 930s. So that's where I'll be looking. Not really worried about this stuff anymore. We will see though. Has plenty of volume to get that push to the next level. Let's see. How many trades do I want to do today? 93 divided by 5. If I do 5 trades today, I can give $196 to each trade. So how much of this can I get for $196? 25 shares. So let's see. 25 shares. with 196 per trade. Because I am working with under 1,000 today. I took a couple of hits last week not following rules, not having the right rules written down. So I got my 5 rules and I will definitely maintain them. New week, new me, right? All right. So 25 shares. I can get in and get ready to go. Have to see how it opens. So it needs to open much higher and give a little pullback. That's what I'll be looking for. If it opens at the same level, I'm not going to be too interested. I'll have to wait to consolidation and then maybe another move higher. Even if it opens at the same level, it could continue rocketing, but it'll go without me because I need to see it open higher than this. All right, so the halt 43.28 should be the open. U1 coming up there on the scanner. Let me look at it real quick. Does it have any news on the day? Nah. I'll have to research that. I don't really know why that's up. It's not as volatile, so we'll focus on RMED for right now. Then I'll go and look at that one in a minute. 43.23, here we go. What? There it is. Okay, so it did open higher, pop down for just a brief second. We'll wait. There's another pop. Okay. How far are you going to go down? Can you hold up the 8? I like it. Yep. Get in there. And definitely be looking to get out at this 780 point. 780. 779. Can it hold up the 8? Added a little bit there. Nice little push out. Alright, the bottom of this. Okay, I'm gonna start taking off a little bit. Oh, my positions, my bad. Positions are not visible. There we go. Taking a little bit there. Taking. Looking for that push through the 50. Not getting it though. Alright, so the bottom of this is the low of the $8. So $7.99, I'll have to be out with the rest of this. It can't get going up. Got to give us a little shoot, or I will exit. Looking for it to get bought up here. Can it get it? Not looking good. Still way above VWAP. I didn't notice that. VWAP we'll use to get out. 760. 760s. 59. Can we get one more motion up above that $8 level? Just the pop of the 8 is what we're looking for. I'm gonna have to get out through that 760 though with these 42 shares. So we got our out right there at VWAP. Needs to stay above that. If we can get any motion up, that would be great. I'll take off some more up here. Not seeing it though. That was a dead cat bounce. So our new low here is a 783. 783. I'm gonna have to get out. So, and I'm probably gonna end up taking a little bit up here as well. We'll see. But 783, I gotta be out. Looking for that push into the 40s. Can we get it? Nice little push there. Taking a little profit. Taking profit. 783, I gotta be out for these last 40 shares. Taking profit. Getting a little weak there. 783, 38 shares. Reducing my size. Not liking what I'm seeing. Okay. Struggling right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off. I don't like the way it's moving. It should have went on that one. So I took everything off there. It just would not go. So, all right. Let's look for the next entry. U1 is doing his thing out here as well. Did give that pullback 15 up to the 16. Alright, so let's see how much I can get for 196 bucks. Oh, that's nasty. Only 10 shares. Alright, U1 is up for no reason. RMed, are we going to continue or no? I want to see it break down. I want to see it go red on this candle. 825 becoming a level of resistance. $196 is where I'm at. So I get 24 shares. Just not looking friendly at all. Looking very heavy there. Trying to hold up this 812, 815, 825 level. Can we hold that up? 825s. Looking for the 825 there on the bid. Getting a little action downward. Will it crack this previous bottom of the 8? Yep. Glad I took where I did. Just was not giving me the move that I was looking for. So went ahead and took off. U1 now has a topping tail up here. Getting a little bit of consolidation. Let's see how much volume these candles are getting. 40,000, 40,000. Okay, these got 100. Only 2 of them got a. Okay, here's some hundreds as well. All right, leads is also back up. Oh no, it's not. Thought it was back up. Got to get back above that VWAP. RMed breaking VWAP, so you know the rules. Got to come back and reconfirm VWAP now. All right, U1. What are we doing here? What's the game plan? It's a long way away from this 9 EMA, so I do like that as a strength factor. I will play small on this. So the bottom of this is the 1592. Can we get the 1625? I'll play small on it. There we go. Got in there right there. The low of this is a 1583. Playing small. 1583. So we will be out down there at the 1583 if this thing can't hold up. There we go. Getting a nice little pump right there. It has no news on the day, so I'm kind of timid with it, because I don't know when it's going to slam or if it's going to slam. Getting a little heavy there. What's this previous candle low? Is a 1593. We will see. Leads, what you got? Leads trying to do things. RMed not looking too good. So we're gonna wait on U1 to either break down or do whatever it's got to do. Ooh, that's a big move. Can we stay above the 16s? Gotta close this candle above the 16s would be nice. This will be my new low of the 1591. Wow, that opened up low. May stop me out here. Got to get back across the 15s, and I don't think it can do it. So low here is the 91, which I'll be out on. And come on. You know you want to get me out. Okay, holding the 16s a little bit. I'll just let that one play. And as long as it doesn't break that bottom, we're good. But it's got to get back above that 16. $16.05s. Saw 16.08 very quickly. So this low is a 1593. 1593. 1599 is where I would like to be getting out there. So a re-break of the 16 would be not good. It needs to push up just a bit. Come on. It needs to push up above that 10. So the 1599 is where I'll probably put my stop if it pushes up to green. Gotta see it though. Gotta push out of that 20. There we go. Alright, a break of the 16, I'll be out. That's 32 cents of loss. 32-cent loss right there if it can't continue. But it's on small share size, so we're not just super endangered. RMed trying to make its way back up there, but not looking good. U1, can we get any more push to the upside? If it breaks 16, I'm out. Stay above that 16.15, but it's not going to do it. I think I'm about to get stopped out here. It's only 17 cents away from me. $23s. Ooh, popped down there a lot right there. This will be the new low if it can stay up here. So the new low is the 1603. Yeah, it's probably gonna stop me here. Looking a lot of heavy. Looking really heavy here. 1603 becoming the new low. 1603. Let's do 1602. So we will be out there if it comes down and cracks that bottom. Got to get back over the 20s. Anyway, I think I'm about to get stopped out on that. Yep. Trying to hold up. I don't see huge buyers coming in there. Can it push through the 20? So I'm just gonna sit there and wait. We got our med going back down. Leads negative on the day, should pop off the screener soon. Man, this one looks so heavy. I know it wants to stop me. Can it get back over to 20? If not, I'm out. It's going to take a big move down. And there. Alright, I'm good with that. That's 2 trades. Or how many trades have I taken? Kept my losses small as well. On my realized gains and where is it? Realized gains and losses right here. Just kept my losses very small, especially that one. But it was on 5 shares instead of 20 something shares. Wasn't able to pull off a whole lot today. The biggest gain was 12 cents in the profit, so not really volatile today, but still made good trades. Trying to keep this thing in order. All right, leads found a bottom down here. I do like that. Let's see if we can get back over VWAP. Our med looking choppy. So let's focus on RMed for right now. Still above VWAP. Still a good ways away from this 5-minute 9. So another $196 is what we're looking to spend on this one. If it can stay above VWAP, looking like it wants to go and test VWAP right now. Bounce off VWAP right there. Break of the 1821. If we can see the, I mean not the 18, the 821 is what we're looking for. 821. Can we get it? 821 on the bid. $821. Okay, looking for the 821 here. Can we see it? There we go. Can we get the 21 up there? Got in right there. I'm going to use this as my out. I'll give it a little playroom since it is a little bit of cheaper stock. Let's see if we can touch that top. Top there. Okay, VWAP. It's got to be our out, 780. Wow, that thing faded big. So we will be out at the 783 for right now. Sell on the break of VWAP, breakdown of VWAP. Looks like it's consolidating a little bit, but if it does slam, I will be out. Looking for that push above the to stay above this level right here, the 820. See if we can get that. Still in an ascending candle. Bottom of this candle is the 780s. So that's where I'm sitting. Okay. Nice. Got a little pop there. It's got to get back over this level here of the 820s. All right, wait a minute. Why do I have 2 VWAPs? What's up with this? 784. So I'm at the 783 for an out right now. Looking for it to get over that 20. And this double bottom here of the $8, so $7.99 will have to become the out. $7.99 is my out right now. Ooh, that was a big pullback. Boy, This thing ain't playing. Break of the 8 is where I'm gonna have to get out here. I can't play with it. Looking for the push up, and I will be taking. Looking for that push through. Can we get the 25s there to hold? See the 25s. Come on, 25s on the bid. Quite heavy here. A lot of volume on this candle. There we go. Nice. Oh my goodness, man. Can we please just stay up there and maybe get a break? So we have the high of 840 right now. There we go. Alright, so we'll cancel the last one. Cancel that one. Okay. So we'll go ahead and take a little bit of profit up here as well. Pop off some profit. 24. Pop off some more. Looking for those 70s. Nice. Pop off some more up there. Popping. Can it hold the 70? Came below the 70 right there. I'm not liking that. Needs to get above the 70s. Not liking that. Can we pop it? Okay. I'm going to look for more entries. This thing is taking a while to update because I'm all out. It should be right now, but I'm not seeing that. So for some reason, it's not giving me what I want. I'm trying to take all. What in the world? I don't know if I'm short or what. Oh my gosh, I'm short. Okay. So let's go ahead and buy. That's 10, and then buy 1. I am short. That's what it was. This thing is updating slow. I'm not seeing my exits. So what are we trying to sell at? I don't know. This thing's got to update. I'm not going to do anything until this updates, because I don't know where I'm at. Look at this. It's not even updating. I know I don't have 11 shares now. I just bought 5. Alright. Let's wait till it updates. I'm going to have to get out of here before I go red though. 870. Sell there. What in the world, bro? So I'm going to sell 11 at 870. That'll get me out of there. Nope. I got 16 shares now. Short. 11 shares. Boy, I tell you what. God, man. 6 shares. See, now it's I'm not even doing this. It's on its own right now. Okay, so I meant to get out 6 shares. I'm just going to do a market sell out here. And go ahead and get out because it is not acting right. I don't know what's going on. But I'm not gonna sell until I'm in the green. Alright, or buy or cover until I'm in the green. Let's see if it can drop below this 860. That'll be dope. Don't know how I went short. It wasn't updating. I was continually pressing the sell, but I wasn't seeing it sell. I was well within the green though. Waiting for the breakdown of the 75 is what I'm looking for. Yeah, it's not going to give it to me. I'm going to go ahead and get out there. Please let that be a sale of 6. Please. Please get me out. I mean a buy of 6, my bad, buy of 6. Still not updating. I don't know where my position is right now. Is it even moving? Nope. I lost everything. I wish it would update because I'm not in 6 shares right now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go out to Charles Schwab and see if I'm actually holding any position because I don't know right now. So I guess this is one of those days where we get some kind of problems where it wasn't updating. I continued to sell and I went short. Bruh, get me out of this position. Oh my gosh. Alright, Charles Schwab. I'm at Charles Schwab. It's loading a little slow. So maybe they're having issues over here. Let's see. No. Am I holding any equities? Or not equities, securities. Come on. Show me. Right. Okay. Could you please load? Okay, so it says I'm out over here on Charles Schwab, but it's not showing that. So I mean, I'm green. I'm super green. But I don't want to buy anymore because it's not updating. Oh my gosh. Well, let me go out to the down detector to see if other people are having issues with this. Yep. Huge spike on the down detector. Huge spike. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's crazy. Let me bring y'all over here to show you what I'm talking about. This is a spike right here, or actually I haven't activated it yet. Hold up. Let me activate the spike. Where are you? Alright, I just activated manually. So right here, this is the spike of problems that people are having right now. So crazy amount of spiking right there. Alright, I need to get out of this, seriously. I really am nervous in this stock right now. Oh my gosh, it just updated. And I'm still green. Praise the Lord. Oh man, that was a long wait. I am scared to take another trade because I don't know if I'm out of a position or not. I literally had sold out of that position way more and went. Oh my gosh, I'm scared to take another trade now. All right, well, okay, I'm tell you what. I'll take small position size. That's it, because I'm not trying to lose on this one. That's all I can take. But this one isn't set up like I like it anyway. U1 looking like it wants to go down. Man, that thing took some profit. Golly. Every day is something, but I'm glad that I'm walking away green instead of red, because I really thought I was about to be red on that. Whew. Boy. Okay. Let's see if it can hold above this 825. See if it gives us a little bit of red to the downside, because right now it's just grinding. But I think I took pretty good positions today, relative to everything. So I did get 51 cents off of RMed. Oh, that's why it was only showing 12. It was only showing 12 earlier because it hadn't updated. The 12 is back here. I knew I took more than 12 cents off of there. So 51 cents in the profit was the biggest gain up today. And then we had some shorts, which I lost on a couple of shorts. Yeah, but whatever. Doesn't matter. As long as I'm not in it now. So sometimes that happens with a free broker. You know, the updating is kind of slow or laggy, and you get a huge surge of just foolishness. Okay, add a source. Forgot to bring this one over. Okay, let me get this stuff right. Insanity. I wonder if TD Ameritrade have those same problems. Let me go and check. I guarantee you they did. Flip over here. Go to my browser. TD Ameritrade. Did they have problems too? How do you spell that? I haven't been to it in so long. TD Ameritrade, they had a little bit of issues right there, but not as much as Charles Schwab. So I switched over from TD Ameritrade. I used to have them, but man, look at that. Just 145 reports. Anyway, let's go back over to our main thing. But I'm glad that I was able to walk away green from that foolishness. But following my rules, other than the broker issue, following my rules has kept me in pretty safe. Okay, so it looks like this red candle is trying to close up green. I want to see a hold of that 25 would be nice. And I'm going to play small because I don't know. Getting up there. Can we get up to the 25s? I'm not going to enter at the 25. I want to see a hold above the 25. So right here is our resistance. 25 right there. I want to see a hold above that level. RMed going on down. Okay, 33, nice. I want to see a hold. I want to see a pullback above the 25, and I'll be ready. $30 on there. Let's see, will it crack down to 30 or no? Okay, I'm liking it. Holding the 25 there, plenty of time. I'm going to be entering on the break. What's the high of this? High is a 42, so let's see the 43. Can we get that 43 there? I like it. Getting in small right there. Looking for a little bit of continuation push. There we go. Selling a bit. Okay, it's updating now. Praise God. Selling a bit more up there. Okay. Selling a bit more. Oof. I don't like those pullbacks. Yeah, I'm getting out right there. Okay, that was a nice update. It was updating, and as you can see, I got out at the right time because I was just trying to see, is it giving me the right information over here? So it is updating now. So that was a nice little push. The only problem is I have 60 bucks left, and I don't know if I can take another trade on this one. Let's see, it's $16. How much can I get for 60 bucks? 3 shares is something that I really don't want to do. So it is holding up that 25. It cracked it a little bit. Back above the 1650 would be the spot, 51. And I'll put a buy order up there as a stop. And I'll be out down here on this bottom low of the 1610. I'll be out. So I will sell down here at the bottom, 1610 if it can't go. Not really risking a whole lot. Just want to see it get a little bit of love through the top. The top is the 775 or the 1675-ish area. So I wanted to see a little bump, and this will probably end my trade for the day because I only got 10 bucks left. If it breaks down, I am out. 1610. I want to see the break of that 50. About to be out. Got bought up just a little bit there. Either way it goes, even if this is a losing trade, I'm still green on the day. So it's okay. But this will become the new low of the 1615 if it does not get me out here. RMed creeping back in there. Still don't like it. It's a little bit too close to that 5 EMA on the 9 EMA on the 5 minute. Let's see if this one stops me out here. Can we get over that 30? Or are you gonna blow back through? If it can break the top of this candle here, the high of the 45, then I'll move the bottom here to the 1615. But I haven't seen that yet. There's a little pop. Alright, so the new bottom here is a 1615. We'll be out. 1615. Okay. We out right there. 1615. If it can't get going, it's got to get above those 30s. Got to see some 31s in that thing. I will be out right here. Not seeing any 30s, so it can drop quite a bit. 35s on the bid. 35s. Can we get the 40s? We get the pop out here. The low of this is the 23. So 1620 will be the new spot. If it can push up, it could not push up. Probably gonna stop me out here. 1620 will be out. Yeah, it's looking a little heavy here. May stop me out. All good. Gotta see above the 30s. See the 31 on the bid real quick. 30s. Getting a nice little, ooh. Alright, this is definitely the new low. 1621. If it can't get up, I'll be out anyway. Got to get back above that 1 minute. It's going to struggle there. So the bottom of this candle is a 20. So 1620, I'll have to be looking to get out. Is that the dead cat bounce there? Woo. Boy. All right. That was, let's see, was that the last trade of the day? Or can I play a break up here on the 848? Stop. 851. I only got 10 bucks, so not much I can do with that. It's down there looking weak. It's all around that that 9 EMA right there, so not feeling too safe with that. Got to see a breakout of the 51, which is where I'll put it. And I'll have my stop ready to go. Let's see, the bottom of this one is the 806. I don't know, it's probably going to break down VWAP. I'm not going to play that. VWAP is at the 808. Wow. U1 taking a dip. SC. Oh man, I don't even have money for that. What's the news on this one? No news on today. Very low volume. I'll go ahead and research it. Go ahead and research it. Okay. Why is that not going through? Okay. Alright, we're not going to worry about that right now. So ESEA is moving up quite nicely. Nice moves. It's going to have to give a pullback because it kind of came out of this consolidation and has not given a pullback, and it's on low volume, so very risky behavior. RMID not looking good. ESEA, where will be the entry here with no pullbacks? There is no entry. Went up. Just got to see the pullback. U1 back up there. Oh no, it's not. U1 is dead. RMID continuing to look like it wants to push up. It can break that 51. I might be interested there. Look for the 55. If it doesn't break down the VWAP right here. 809 holding up again though. Struggling around that 820 level where that 9 EMA is. So it may be shorts getting their position here, right in here. So not looking too hot. Okay, ESA. So this would be the pullback, but now it's not moving fluidly. It's almost stopped moving. So not looking attractive. This one looks like it's about to go ahead and bottom out. Yeah, that's not moving nice at all now. No good movement there. U1 going on down through the dirt. RMed still trying to come out. Let's see what's the trend on this one. Trend looks like it's right through there. Alright, so let's look for the 36 here. 36, we'll buy one. We'll be out at VWAP 809. Looking for that 36. VWAP will be our out. There we go. We'll sell at VWAP. If it cracks down. Only one share to get in, man. Sad day. Got $2 left. I'll move with VWAP here. Double topping right there, not looking good. Gotta break that. Okay, it did pop through there. Can we get going through this 48 level? Nope. Yep. Alright, where are we at now? RMed, we're still in. Using VWAP as our out. Don't know how much it can go up, but I'll take whatever profit it can bless me with. I'm in one share, so it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna follow VWAP. Not a big risk at all. Double topping there, getting through that double top. 18 cents in the profit, 24 cents in the profit. So we'll let that play. I got $2 left. That is sad. I feel broke. As long as it holds up that 809, you know, I'm okay with it. But if it breaks down VWAP, I am definitely out. Getting bought up big right there. Let's look at the level 2s. We got some buyers over here at the 39. So right at where it's at. That's nice. Buyers at the 41. 41. I like that. It's a nice sign. 50s. Can we get going upward? So 810 will be my out now. Looking like that is the spot to be out. Actually, no, we're gonna use that 5-minute 9 EMA, so the 820. That's a safer bet. But it's got to push up some more before I move it up there to the 820s. Or not. Nice little dead cat bounce right there off the 825. And this is why I'm going to move it to the 820, because it's right under a $0.25 level. So that will be the plan. If it pushes up after this one, that 820 level, if it breaks that 825, it's probably going to break the 820 as well. So that's where we'll be sitting after this. 839, can we break into the 40s? There's the 40s. Only up 6, 7, 8, 9 cents, something like that. So it did push up, but it's got to continue through this top here of the 45. Got to break that 45. Can we do it? So low of the 823, 820 is our new out, so there'll be a risk of 10 cents. Not moving it up just yet though. Got to see some more green, some big green come in. The volume is drying up, but it's drying up above VWAP, so either it's going to be a lot of selling okay. Alright, so yeah, the 820 I'm going to have to be out. Go ahead and put it there. Right below there. If it can hold up, great. If not, I'm out. There we go. All out right there. Nice. Alright, that was the last trade of the day. It is 9:34. I don't know if anything else is going to come back up. SCEA took that big drop and now it's looking like it's fading. Did it have news? Didn't have news on the day, so be careful with that one. RMed, again, just not my type of play. I did end today green, very small green though. Had some broker issues with the update, so went short for a while. And we will be back tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in. And actually, let me switch over to my other screen so I look right. Let's see, what's my screen? There we go. Okay, so I am closing up. Thank you so much for tuning in. I did get my camera situation kind of reconfigured. I am building a new computer for this stream because right now this computer is just on its last legs, and it is, I mean, pixel per pixel is like so much work for it. But I am building another computer, getting a new setup. I got an okay setup right now, but you know, productivity wise, I want to get a little bit better, especially with the frame rate. Like you can sometimes see it kind of like freeze, like my hands are moving now, but whatever. We will be back tomorrow at 8 o'clock. I usually start the stream, and then I start the analysis at about 8:20, well, 8 o'clock Central Time, and then start the analysis at 8:20. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Don't forget to follow if you're on Twitch. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.